Hi, I want to talk to you today about this Craft Mini Heat Press. Now, I do a lot of crafts, so I just kind of want to show you what's in here and how I use it. Box, you get the mini heat press. Now, it's, fits right into the palm of your hand, and it comes in another color. There's a couple different colors that you can get. I always prefer pink. Then you get this stand that you would put your, press in, especially when it's hot. A little water spray bottle, little velveteen bag, drawstring to put all your products in and keep them all stored and clean for the next time. First start out, you have these buttons in the front here, and then you have heat sensors here. So you're going to press this button, and there you see the red light came on. So now we're going to wait until that red turns green. There's 3 different levels of heat: 140, 160, and 180. So right now we are ready for 140. Lights, that would be your highest temperature of 180, and that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, so now we have 3 green lights, so we're at 180, and I'm telling you, this baby's hot. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use it for. I'm going to place this heat press sticker on my banner here, and you can tell they're heat press because they're shiny in the back. So you're just going to take that, put it right there, and now just press down. You want to make sure that when you're pressing down that you don't hit this button. I accidentally hit this button and it turns it off. So I just want to make sure that I keep my hand away from that button. So then, now you have your sticker all on. Now, this is a great little vise when you're doing detailed crafts and you just need a little bit of heat, but you don't want to drag out the great big iron. This is perfect for those little intricate type of projects. And that is just my honest opinion.